In this video, Bitcoin is right now going down to the 90,000 US dollars. But the question is, will we see Bitcoin break 90K and even see maybe 87,000 US dollars? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with PHEMEX and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So right now, I just arrived back here in Manila and I am a bit jet lag. I am not actually feeling that great. Well, at least I am now back home and we can now go back to our regular videos. But yeah, today we are going to give you an update with what's happening now with the Bitcoin price action. So if you recall guys, let's discuss first the previous analysis that we have been doing. So in our videos last week, we were monitoring this falling wedge in this daily time frame chart, and as you can see, falling wedge is traditionally a bullish pattern, right? But as what I've told you guys, it really depends on where this is going to break out, because we are seeing a weekly time frame bearish divergence in the weekly chart. So we have to take into consideration the bearish breakout for this chart, for this falling wedge. So right now, as you can see, we have now started breaking to the downside, and if you are going to get the target of this falling wedge, it would mean that we would see Bitcoin going down to the 87,000 US dollars area. And as mentioned in our previous video guys, we are also monitoring this bullish divergence forming in the hourly time frame and in the 4-hour time frame, because if we are going to see this divergence play out, then it might negate or it might cancel or invalidate the falling wedge bearish breakout. But as you recall, we opened a long position here, but what we did is we placed a stop loss along this area. So what happened is this bullish divergence actually failed, and it invalidated the bullish divergence. So right now, our short-term long position got close and it hit our stop loss. So right now, for the short term, we don't have any trades for that. But as you recall, guys, if you have been following my Facebook page, I have actually shown you guys that we are seeing a bearish cross in the hourly time frame chart. So in that case, we opened a short position. So as you can see, I mentioned to you guys that I have opened a short position targeting certain areas. So if you have been following my Facebook page, then you would know that we are already in a brand new short position. So let's now discuss this brand new short position that we were mentioning. So in this new short position that I was mentioning, we have opened a short position around the 92,700 US dollars. And right now, you can see Bitcoin is right now going down following the short position that we have mentioned. And as you can see, Bitcoin is actually looks like going to follow this 87,000 US dollars following this daily time frame. So right now, I have two specific trades, the long term and short term. So for the long term, right now we still have the Bitcoin short position that we have opened at the average entry price at 107,000 US dollars. It is still ongoing, and right now I am currently targeting 87,000 US dollars for that trade. Now when it comes to the short term, let's go into the hourly charts. It's actually There are actually different areas that we have to watch out here. Number one, which is the 91,200 US dollars, because that is now acting as a support area. But as you can see, Bitcoin is trying to break this area. So right now, I have took partial profits for my short position here in WEEX. And this is actually a new account that I've opened. I've tried testing this. I'm currently testing this. So I have not put any big amount here. Actually, in reality, I've just added here around $1,000 just to play this one out. And in my futures wallet, I am now currently playing around $200 for the time being. But as you can see, right now, I am currently up 84% in this trade in WEEX. And the good thing about with WEEX is it does not require a VPN and KYC to trade here in WEEX. So right now, I'm not going to put a big amount yet on Wix, but I'm now just going to play around with what I can do here in Wix. And if you want to also try Wix, you can check my sign up link in the description down below. We also have sign up bonus if you are going to sign up with my sign up link and with Wix. And all of those are available in the description down below, guys. But yeah, right now, the first target is 91,200, which has been met now. The next target that we are actually eyeing is around the 89,000 US dollars, roughly around the 89,600 US dollars to be exact. So, yeah, we have two targets areas, which is the 91,000 to 91,200 and 89,600. And once we are going to meet this second target, I will take another profit here, maybe 50% profits at this point, and then I will leave the rest of my short position open up until the 87,000 US dollars. So that is what I am currently doing with my trade in Wix, and that is, take note, that is a trade for the very short term only. And when it comes to my long-term short position, it's actually happening in Bybit. And as you can see in Bybit, I am already up 42% with the latest movement. Actually, this is the previous post. The updated profit that I am getting right now is 45% based on the current price action. So yeah, right now, long-term trades are in Bybit, short-term trades, I am testing it out with Wix. So all of those sign-up links are available, guys, in the description down below. And take note, if you are watching this from outside the Philippines, of course you can still trade with Bybit. So just to clarify, because I've seen some comments asking, why are we still promoting Bybit, or why are we still mentioning Bybit? Of course, it's because we also have followers from other countries as well. So, yeah, if you don't have an account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link for Bybit, because we have big bonuses with Bybit, especially that is our main partner here in Gabs Crypto. And yeah, right now 87,000 US dollars is our main target for the long term. Well, not for the long term, but for the current price action, and for the short term, we are currently eyeing 89,600. So right now, that is what I am currently doing with my trades. I don't think that there are any updates for the time being, especially na right now we are currently in a long-term bear market. So just a quick advice to everyone: if we are in a long-term bear market, short position are actually going to be much better with the upcoming trades, because if you're going to do long position, it you can still be profitable with those long position. But the problem is, if, let's say, those bullish indicators got invalidated because of the massive selling pressures, just like what we have been seeing recently, the previous bullish divergence actually played out, but the next bullish divergence got invalidated because there are a lot of sellers. Then of course, it's much better to do short positions. And if you're going to do any long positions trade, you have to be very cautious with your long position, especially we don't want to get wrecked or liquidated. Also, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to everyone who have been following my trades. We also have a Facebook Messenger group. You can find that, guys, in the description down below. And as you can see, everyone are actually up in profit. And of course, if our trades got hit with stop loss, of course, we are not going to be in profits. But either way, we are going to be trading this all together. And yeah, you can join our Messenger group chat in the description down below. But yeah, take a look at those profits that they have been getting: 134% from Clet, 355% from CJ, and then 187% from Glenn. So yeah, congratulations to everyone who have been following our videos. And yeah, right now, I don't think we have any more updates. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and make sure to share this video, guys, to your friends. And of course, we want to make our community bigger. So yeah, it would be very helpful if we get somewhat around 30,000 to 35,000 subscribers. And yeah, hopefully we get more likes as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.